Homeowners and those aspiring to become them, beware. Mortgage rates soared to their highest level of the year this week. Mortgage News Daily is reporting the average rate for 30-year fixed mortgages reached 7.5% Tuesday. It currently sits around 7.44%. Now, prior to this week, rates for these popular mortgages had not been higher than 7.4% since mid-November. Let's bring in Holden Lewis. He is a home and mortgage expert for NerdWallet. Holden, thanks so much for being with us. So not only are mortgage rates climbing, but so are home prices. So what tips do you have for people who are looking to buy a home now?
The first tip is to include new homes in your search. And that's because there's a limited supply of existing home resales on the market. But meanwhile, home builders have been building plenty of homes. And so kind of your ratio of new homes to used homes is pretty good. And so just make sure that you include those new homes in your search. And then another tip is that apply with multiple mortgage lenders. If you apply with, say, 3 or 4 lenders, one of those lenders is going to offer you a better deal than the others. And studies have shown that's going to save you roughly $50 to $100 a month. And I mean, that's nice all by itself. But that also stretches your buying ability, your buying power by a few $1,000s. And that might make the difference between a successful offer and an unsuccessful offer.
What about waiting? What are the main benefits of waiting until mortgage rates or home prices drop? And what are the main downsides?
There's not a whole lot of benefits of waiting. The main one is simply that as long as you wait, that gives you more time to save for, the down payment and closing costs. Nervous sellers might reduce their prices. So if there's a house that you have your eye on and they've overpriced it, hey, maybe they'll cut that price. And so waiting will help you with that. So there are more downsides to waiting. Overall, home prices they're unlikely to go down this spring or summer. Mortgage rates, they just might not fall anytime soon. At the beginning of the year, we thought they would have fallen by now. And as you've shown, they have gone up. They've gone up like 0.75 of a percentage point since the beginning of the year. And we just don't know when they're going to fall, but it might not happen this spring or summer.
Yeah, people could be waiting for a very long time, it sounds like. All right, well, let's say people decide to move forward. After purchasing a home, what guidance should new homeowners follow to ensure that they stay above water in terms of expenses, especially in this economy?
My main concern, and I think that a lot of home buyers' concern, has to do with home insurance premiums. It's kind of like a crisis level in a lot of the country, especially Tornado Alley, the Gulf Coast, other hurricane-prone areas, wildlife vulnerable areas. Those premiums have been going up really fast in the last few years. And so when you buy a home, it might be a good idea to leave some room in your budget for higher home insurance premiums in the coming years. So if you can afford $2,500 a month, well, maybe you try to buy a house that costs $2,300 a month, just to give you some room for higher higher property insurance premiums in the coming years.
Right, and people should read the fine print too and figure out what really is covered. I think some folks get surprised when natural disasters hit and they realize they weren't necessarily covered what they thought they would be. All right, Holden Lewis, thanks so much for taking the time to talk to us. We appreciate it.
It was a pleasure.